Welcome back to our channel. Sorry, in question 19, I forgot to give you guys well done, so I put it here first. Okay, this is the question 19 one. Okay? So, which best explain the no rates of reaction between two gases occurring at high temperature and high pressure? So remember, high temperature, so they move very fast, right? So they are moving fast. Okay. So first of all, I think if they are moving fast, they should have a frequency of collision should be high, right? Not low. So it is not so possible. For B, okay, the bond in the reactants are strong. Yeah, maybe they are strong bonds. So when they move apart, okay, the gases molecules don't. Yeah, maybe might be. Look at it, okay. And the next one, okay, a higher fraction of a reactants molecule collides with the correct orientation. No, if it is correct orientation, then it should have a high rate of reaction, right? So, no, not this one. Last one. The activation energy of the reaction is no. If the activation energy is no, it should have a high reaction rate. No. So I found out my method of elimination. A, C, D are not so probable, so I will choose B. Maybe the bonding between the gas molecule by themselves is strong, so they don't react so strongly. So I think by point of view is B. Okay, this time remember. Well done, guys. See you for next question.